If you're an entrepreneur or a business owner looking to boost your visual content game, you've come to the right place. Imagine having the ability to create captivating, world-class images tailor-made to amplify your brand's unique narrative. All this without the steep costs of hiring a designer. I'm sorry to all the designers out there, or purchasing expensive stock photos. I apologize in advance to all the stock photo companies out there. Too good to be true? Not at all. Check this out, guys. I just created these images right here in less than half an hour, all of them, for free, and I own them. These are images I created for my AI daily newsletter, but now I find myself creating images for anything I want. I used to hire designers for this stuff. And yes, I used to purchase expensive stock photos because I couldn't find exactly what I wanted through search engines. So I would like to welcome you to the future of visual content creation. Welcome to Midjourney, an AI image creation software that's literally reshaping the landscape of creative design. In this video, we're going to reveal some powerful strategies to master AI image creation with Midjourney. Now, these strategies are crafted not just to enhance your visual content, but also to equip you with a competitive edge in today's digital era. And if you stay until the end of this video, there is a massive bonus waiting for you. And I mean massive. This bonus is crucial in your journey towards mastering AI image creation with Midjourney, and it will also help you avoid common pitfalls that many people encounter along the way. So, are you ready to redefine your visual strategy? Are you ready to create extraordinary images that captivate your audience and echo your unique brand identity? Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Beginning with strategy number 1. This power-packed mini course, loaded with valuable insights and hands-on demonstrations, is currently free. Yes, you heard that right. Absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, the link in the bio, or the button on the page, depending on where you're seeing this video. Then unlock the Midjourney Mastery mini course and start applying these game-changing strategies in your business today. Since this course resides within the Branding University e-learning platform, you'll need to open a free student account if you don't already have one. This way, you can come back at any time, log into your student account, and refer back to this amazing course. Remember, time is of the essence. And this free offer won't last forever. So let's go. I'm excited to see you on the inside.